Crews on the Sand Lake Road at I-4 project are making progress on improvements to this very busy interchange, which serves one of Central Florida's major tourist destinations. Most recently, those crews have been constructing several of the project's bridges. Last summer, crews placed 26 beams on 2 bridges that span Sand Lake Road. Over the past few months, work has continued on those bridges as crews poured the concrete that will make up the driving surface of the bridge. This is how that happened. Following beam setting, crews placed forms, or steel pans, between the beams. Forms shape and support the concrete until it gains sufficient strength to be self-supporting. Crews then installed reinforcing steel rebar on top of the forms and beams. The rebar increases the strength of the bridge deck and helps distribute the load of vehicles driving over the bridge. The night of the deck pour, crews closed the roadway that runs beneath the new bridge to keep motorists and pedestrians safe. Concrete trucks then haul in the concrete that will make up the bridge deck. For one bridge, the one that makes up part of the I-4 entrance ramp from Sand Lake Road, 34 trucks were needed to deliver 340 cubic yards of concrete. For the bridge over Sand Lake Road, that is part of the expansion of I-4, 64 trucks delivered 640 cubic yards. Pump trucks are used to move the concrete from the ground up to the deck of the bridge. The pumps move an average of 75 cubic yards of concrete per hour. While the concrete is being poured on the new deck, crews make sure the concrete is evenly distributed over the forms and rebar. A bidwell machine, also called a bridge deck finisher, places, consolidates, and finishes the concrete on the bridge deck. It typically has a rolling screed and additional features like vibrators, float pans, and finishing rollers to achieve a smooth, even surface. While all of that is going on, inspectors continually check the depth of the concrete and confirm that it is adequately covering the rebar. Once the concrete is poured, spread, and smoothed, the curing process begins. The curing process uses wet blankets to keep the concrete moist and at the right temperature to strengthen over time. This process takes 7 days. Work on the I-4 and Sand Lake Road interchange project is due to wrap up in 2027. For more information on the Sand Lake Road interchange improvement project, visit i4beyond.com/sandlake.